Hello everyone! Today I'm going to try out Teexpert resin. This is their clear casting and coating epoxy resin. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. It has a stir time of 3 to 5 minutes. Open time is 30 to 40 minutes. And demold tact-free time is 24 to 48 hours. So usually a little bit longer than what I'm used to. But I'm always open to trying out new resins. Okay, so you'll see here that it comes with some stir sticks, pipettes, a little measuring cups, which is great for small pours, and these spouts for more accurate pouring. Okay, so today's coasters, I'm going to be using Violet Crystal, Mermaid Dust by Meyspring. I have Glittermakesit Mermaid's Tail. Love this glitter. There's just for you online, UK's Fine Champagne Glitter. I have their Rebel Glitters Ignition Dust, white alcohol ink, and some white pigment paste. And that's still from my supply that I make, and you'll see above the link to the video where it shows how I make it. All right, let's get started. Okay, so my molds are all ready to go. I've mixed up the resin. It's a thin viscosity resin. There's little to no bubbles at all, so I'm very happy about that. And with the longer working time, I just want to see what kind of effects I'll get. Yeah, sure, it takes longer to demold, but I can wait. So anyways, you'll see here that I'm just pouring some resin around my crystal effects, or my inserts that I have stuck to these molds. So now these are generic molds that I just got off Amazon a very long time ago. They just weren't very good. They were all scratched from the beginning. And I wanted to change them up, so I did. And if you guys want to see a video about how I did that, let me know. And now you'll see here that I am just lightly pouring the glitter mix, and that's because I am not a big fan of big bands of glitter around my coasters. Yeah, I just like it better this way. It just looks a little more dainty and elegant. Okay, so here we are 12 hours later, and me being impatient, I couldn't wait. You can see here that they're still a bit bendy, but that's okay. I really wanted to see what they look like. And voila, here they are. Aren't they pretty? So I have a lot of jagged edges, and that's from the mold where I placed my druzy inserts all around. And I'm just going to trim them up with some scissors and add some rubber feet to protect the furniture from the coasters. And I'm going to top coat these, but look at that. I just absolutely love how this turned out. I didn't actually fill the mold to the very top because number one, I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. And number two, I didn't actually mix enough resin. I had mixed up 200 mils. And I probably should have mixed up another 100 mils, but regardless, I just think that these are absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you like them too. And here they are after a top coat, and then I decided to add some extra bling. And I just absolutely love how these turned out. Teexpert resin, I think I am definitely going to be using their resin. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.